Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids. And download this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by clicking on the bottom left corner. Then, to access Magic Fluid settings, click on this gear at the top left corner. Then select I accept in First Things First pop-up and tap on one of those presets to apply the best one for you. Select Yes in the pop-up and check out preview of it on the right. You can also adjust all of those options however you want to. Wherever you decided, when you're done, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Then click on this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that your preset is on. Or check out your settings again and tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Then decide where you wish to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!